course, we're not leaving up to entertainment. So, come on, let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna eat. Bye! Hello guys, you might see me as Buddy Nosa, but I am here there. Actually, this is actually my first account before I actually got into my second account because I did not, it was not available. So I just stayed here. So I stayed in the Buddy Nosa, and paid. I didn't know how many subscribers. But guys, if you remember, you can go watch this account because I changed my account now. So please watch this video, and as you might know, click on my account if you want to watch all my videos. But not all my videos, not all those. Yeah. I made a video.